Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You begin by gathering evidence: your account email or phone, a device you commonly used, and the last few passwords you remember. Once done, make sure you're on stable Wi-Fi so pages load reliably. Open accounts. Google, and choose Forgot Email or Forgot Password depending on the issue. You'll enter identifying details. This narrows recovery choices and signals ownership. Explain why. Google uses device history and known credentials to verify you, so using familiar info speeds approval. Next, you follow the verification flow step by step. Google will ask for a recent password or send a code to your recovery contact. Once you receive a code, enter it promptly and avoid requesting multiple codes. This can lock attempts. If prompted, confirm the device or location where you usually sign in, because matching patterns increases the chance of success. Make sure to provide exact answers to any security questions. Precision matters for algorithmic matching during verification. Finally, once verified, you'll create a new strong password and immediately update recovery options so you don't repeat this. After changing credentials, review connected devices and revoke any you don't recognize to close security gaps. Then enable two-step verification, use an authenticator app or security key, and store backup codes offline. If something goes wrong, use the account recovery form again and include exact dates and device info. This one troubleshooting tip often unblocks difficult cases.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.